So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Looks like she got a beautiful bob haircut. Hair is so flowy. She has so much body and movement within this cut. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have another beautiful bob hair change. I'm really digging the color on this one. This is absolutely beautiful. Money piece highlight going there in the front to frame out the face. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who switched up the color on their pixie. She got more of like the mohawk spiky texture. I love her makeup. She looks absolutely beautiful. And then we see a bob haircut. And as you guys know, one of the hottest trends that we are seeing with the bob is definitely the bangs being added. Really giving a throwback to that Cleopatra style bob. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. And we have more of like a shoulder length bob haircut with some bangs. Beautiful, love the tassel texture that he did. And then we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like he's doing more of like a layered haircut with this one. Oh, beautiful bob haircuts with the curtain bangs. Oh, this is beautiful. And then we have another major chop. Another beautiful bob. Bangs in the front. Very nice tassel texture as well. And the layers on this bob look absolutely beautiful. So then we see someone with shoulder length curly hair. Looks like she wants a pixie style. Now she did get a pixie cut. She can wear it slightly curly at the top if she wants to for some added texture. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Love the baby bangs. Very nicely done. So then we see someone with long waist length hair. Looks like she wants a bob. Places the hair in the ponytail, starts to cut. Stylist cleans up the cut. Looks like he's doing a very nice angle on this bob. Little hint of color going there in the front. Oh, absolutely stunning. Nice tassel texture mixed in. Very nice. Such a chic and effortless style. And then we have this undercut here. And last up, we have this beautiful bob haircut transformation. So I hope you guys were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.